am Akash Prasad of grade 8. Recently, we all got to learn about cell structure and its function. We all know that to see the DNA, we need a powerful microscope. Inspired by the learnings in the class about cell structure and function, I did a bit of research on the internet, and this experiment is the outcome of the research I did. I planned on doing a project to see the DNA with simple things. Now, we shall look into the setup. I have taken a beaker, sanitizer colored and chilled, dishwashing liquid, salt and water. Take 45 ml of distilled water
and add 1 tablespoon of NaCl or sodium chloride. Mix it well. Now gargle this so that the cheek cells come to this water. And now add 5 ml of dishwashing liquid. The dishwashing liquid will break open the cheek cells and let the DNA out of it.
Make sure that we don't form any air bubbles.
And add 10 ml of
Ethanol.
and you might slowly able to see that your DNA strands will appear. These are the DNA strands. Now if you try to pick them up, it will come as strands. I'm doing one more test, but last time I used ethanol, but this time I'm going to use
Isopropyl alcohol.
I'm going to add 10 ml of isopropyl alcohol to
45 ml.
the solution that I prepared. Let it set. After a few minutes, you will be able to notice the DNA layering up. I forgot to add the dishwashing liquid, so I'm adding it right now. Stir it well, but don't make any air bubbles. You may be able to see that the sediments of my DNA will be rising up. And these DNA will always be in strand kinds. You might be able to see the small particles.
Okay, the next question that arises in our mind is that why should they use only these specific ingredients? Reason 1, adding salt. Water spreads the cheek cells and makes it more soluble. Adding salt makes the DNA more soluble in water. Reason 3, adding dishwashing liquid. Dishwashing liquid will break open the cells and let the DNA out of it. Reason 4, adding sanitizer. DNA is soluble in water, but it's not soluble in isopropyl alcohol. This is the reason why DNA is not visible in water but visible in isopropyl alcohol. The learning from this experiment is that with the help of some ingredients and simple things that are available at our home, we can do some complex experiment that can only be done in a laboratory setup with sophisticated devices. We were able to see the DNA strands. To get the full structure of the DNA, we need powerful microscopes. Hope this experiment was informative. Thank you.